Today I wanted to introduce you to this material, and this is known as a protractor. And this work will allow us to build all different types of angles. And if you look on the protractor, there are two sets of numbers, okay? There are numbers on the bottom here, and there are numbers on the top. So if you look, we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 10, 20, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, and 180. So this material down here, you'll see the numbers 0 all the way to 100. And then above those, you'll see 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 110, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, and 180. And so today, one of the works you can work on is to build different angles using this material. Okay? So for example, if you see this part right over here, this line, if you form a dot right at this line, this will become the vertex of your angle. So let's do that. I'm going to build a dot right over here. And this will build the vertex of my angle. Okay? In addition, you can build the sides of the angles using these numbers. So we know, let's form a 90-degree angle. So if this is my vertex, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to look for the number 90. And there are these black lines above and below the 90. And I'm going to actually place a dot right over there below and a dot on the top. And then I'm going to create a line and follow it from the vertex all the way up. And we have just built a 90-degree angle. We've built a 90-degree angle. And so this is known as the amplitude. So in the amplitude, I'm going to write down 90 degrees. Okay, let's build another one. I'm going to create my vertex here. And let's build an obtuse angle. So we have our 90-degree angle. Let's build an obtuse angle. And remember, our obtuse angle is anything that's above 90 degrees. So let's build a 140-degree angle. So here's one of my sides, and then I'm going to build the other side, and I'm going to make the 140-degree angle. So I'm going to look for the number 140, and I'm going to place a dot right over there and a dot right on top, and then I'm going to follow those markings to form and here we have our 140-degree angle. So in the amplitude, I'm going to write 140 degrees. So we have our 140-degree angle, we have our 90-degree angle. Let's build an acute angle. But this time, instead of using these numbers on the bottom, let's try using the numbers on the top. And so remember, our acute angles are always under 90 degrees. And so what we're going to do is we're going to create our vertex, and we're going to make our angle smaller than 90 degrees. So let's make it a 60-degree angle using the top numbers this time. And so how we would do it is that We're going to build the side, and this time we're going to use the other side. And we're going to make it what? Let's make it a 40-degree angle. So instead of looking at the bottom numbers now, because it's on the other side, we're going to actually look for the number 40. And here it is. So right at the top, the 40 degrees, I'm going to build a little, I'm going to mark it right there, and I'm going to mark the bottom. And then I'm going to follow those lines, or follow those markings. And when I follow those markings, we can say then that this angle right over here is an acute angle, and it's 40 degrees. So today, your job or your work can be to practice angles using this material, and this is known as the protractor. Okay, have fun.